Little update on what's going on. We cleaned out the floor of the barn here for Tony's truck. He's going to be here tomorrow. I assume we're going to be in here. Bad news with the block. It was already bored 30 over, and so to get it to get clean, it would be another at least 50 thousandths to get it over, and that's going to make the motor hot. So I'm going to get a new motor. Hopefully we'll have an update on that soon. They're like 500 bucks out here, so shouldn't be too bad. But I did pick up a nice little DeWalt toolkit from the pawn shop for 39 bucks out the door. It's got all your little wrenches and stuff, and this will keep people from using my Snap-on stuff. And so that's nice. I'm gonna need a bottle of WD-40. That one's about out. So we're just kind of waiting on the motor. It's cleaning up. We're gonna be working on the Ford F-250, and that'll be nice. That'll be fun week to have. And I still got to mount my vise. It's supposed to go here in the corner, but I got too much garbage there. But so that's the update. It's not the best, but it's what we got to do. It's going to be 2,800 bucks to redo that motor, and it still might overheat. I'd have to buy a bigger radiator and all that. So we're not doing that. We'll get a new motor and go from there. So anyway, that's the update for right now. Got a wedding going on this weekend, so that'll be fun. So anyway, that's about it. We'll talk to y'all soon.